Hello guys, today I'm going on a trip that I've been waiting for a very long time. I already tried to make it happen last year, but somehow I didn't have time or something, but now it's happening. Only a few hours and then we will go. And here's my gear for the trip. A backpack, memory cards, CF cards, SD cards, flashlight, some extra batteries for cameras, Sigma 20mm lens for landscape photography, Canon 70-200 for maybe some animal shots, 2x extender, small first aid kit, I hope I don't need it, power bank for phone, cleaning kit, flash, I probably don't need it, tripod, I just bought my other camera, Canon 6D, I also have Canon 5D Mark IV, but I don't have it here at the moment, matches, hand warmers, some shoes, and finally I have a sleeping bag. Ladies and gentlemen, Ossi has a sleeping bag. This is a Viking Warm Piece 600, sleeping mattress, a bottle.
Here's some clothes, a warm hat for the night and some warm socks, very warm clothes, also warm clothes, clothes, and this not so warm but good, and some more socks.
Alright, here we go. We just arrived to Kolari and we're trying to find a place for a morning coffee, but no, there's not such a place here.
A few moments later.
We found it. Thank you, K-Market. We just had good dinner and now we are going on the top of the fell and we try to catch the sunset. It's maybe too late already, but let's see. And Julia has joined us. And if I'm not too lazy with editing, you can find her username down here. And Paavo is driving.
I'm doing my best. But it might be clear on the top, or no?
It will go all the way.
I think we missed the sunset, but we have some nice fog here, so let's try. it's way too foggy here, so we really cannot get any photos and my camera is wet, so I think we just give up and try again in the morning. We just had amazing breakfast, right?
Yeah! Woo.
Yeah. Now we're going to some nice locations nearby to Pallas National Park and somewhere. Good morning. Another wonderful day. We are going to the north.
So Ossi, where are we going?
We are going to the north. Very north. Yeah.
Tell me what we just saw.
Reindeers.